Hello and welcome back to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today we're in for a nice treat. Oh yeah. We're talking about sausage, biscuits, and gravy. Oh, I'm gonna make you that gravy. It's gonna be good. Stay tuned.
Nothing warms the heart like Southern cooking, and nothing says Southern cooking like sausage gravy. Today we are going to make one of the easiest recipes you're going to find, and not only that, it is going to taste amazing. First, make sure you have your biscuits warming up. Then, take about a quarter of a package of Jimmy Dean sausage, Bob Evans sausage, and those are the only two I use. Break it up and get ready to stay here for a while because you're going to be doing a lot of stir, cut. Want to get these pieces down to small, just the way I like them. And we are looking to make our sausage hot. I like to get them a little browned. Usually about 70% brown, and the rest just cook through. A little bit of crunchiness is added when you brown the sausage, and it's the way I like to try it. Does your sausage look like this? Then it's ready to make it gravy. Oh yeah. Next step. Take our flour and put enough to cover up all of the sausage. Oh yeah. You're going to want to cook that flour a little bit, get that flour taste out. You definitely don't want to just put flour in and then throw your milk in. But once your milk goes in, no more flour goes in. Do you hear me, family? No more flour. If you try to add flour in now, it's going to ruin your gravy. You're better off just letting your milk cook down. If it's a little too thick, guess what? Just add a little more gravy. If it's a little too thin, just cook it down. It's that easy. That's right, that's simple. Add a little seasoning, some pepper, some Creole seasoning. Oh yeah, that's right, a little spice, and some salt. Now some people will look at it and they'll think that they like it a little bit on the thin side. I personally like my gravy on the thicker side. You can make this the way you want to. Just remove the pan from the heat when you get the consistency that you want. Make sure to keep stirring. Don't leave it sit too long. Now this is where most people are happy. It's a little bit thin, but it's definitely a gravy. For me, I like to take it to this point. Thick, rich, delicious. Oh. Now that our biscuits are ready, let's put our gravy on. Whoa, this stuff is thick. Take a look. Make sure to cover every inch of your biscuits. It's not sausage, biscuits, and gravy without enough gravy going everywhere. Now for me, biscuits and gravy are not the same without a couple eggs. Sunny side over easy. Crack a couple eggs in some hot oil. You're going to look for the edges to start to brown. I like my eggs a little bit crispy around the edges. How about you? Leave a comment below. By the way, if you guys are liking what I'm throwing down, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like. Really helps us out a lot. Thank you. Time to flip them. 1, 2. Oh yeah. Don't let them stick to the bottom of the pan too long. And once they're ready, just plop them right on the side. Would you look at that? Nothing says Southern cooking like biscuits and gravy. Oh, so good. Thanks for joining us at Uncle Bill's Kitchen. If you enjoyed our content, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Costs you nothing, but it really helps us out a lot.